Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, loons and queens. My name is Fizzy the Fairy, and welcome to another story for Scots Radio. Thank you very much, Fizzy. That was a lovely introduction. Would you like to hear a story? Aye! Well, just you sit down there, that's a girl, and listen in. Now, today I'm going to tell you a story which is a legend from the Native American tribe, the Lenape. Hienie back. Long afore folk like you and me walked this earth, the animals played on the earth in the beautiful sunshine together. For it was summer a year round. They were happy. Now, a day, the great creator in the sky, Mother Nature, had this wee thought to herself. She said to herself, I ken if it happens, when I ging out and I scoop up a wee bit of cloud from my garden and I blow on it, the rain falls down. But I wonder if it happens when I get a recht call blow. So out she went into her garden. She padded all the way through all the things that she'd created over the years. And she went through the wee gate at the bottom and out onto the clouds. And there she saw this great big puff of cloud. She scooped it up in her hands and she went, well, there it was. All trickling down were these beautiful, soft, white flakes of snow. She had created snow, and with it, the coldness of winter. Now, down on the earth, all the wee beasties like the moosies, they were looking up at the sky. And they saw this stuff falling down, and they did that thing, where you go, and you try and catch the snowflakes. Well, they did that. When it landed on the ground, they skated about on it, they made snowballs, and they chucked the snow at each other off at a laugh they were having. But soon, the snow began to build up, and the wee craters scurried away off to be warm inside their houses. The bigger ones too, they thought to themselves, we're not sure about this. And soon the grun, it was rock hard, and there was no way of finding any food. So all the craters, they got together and they said, aye, we need to hear a word with Mother Nature. We need to say to her, Mother Nature, please think of us craters. Take it away. So they had a wee think. We will send her most magnificent creation. Something beautiful, something bonny. And the bonny wee trout in the river, he said, I'll ging up. I'll speak to Mother Nature. And they said, hi. But where are you going to get all the way up there? Nah, we need a beast that can flee. Sign up came the butterfly. Its bonny rainbow colours. Blue, red, orange, green, yellow. Folks, have you ever heard a butterfly speak? Me neither. So they said, no, you're our quiet. Then up spoke the bird with the most beautiful voice. It was the nightingale. But have you ever seen a nightingale? Aye, it's bonny, but it's wee and brown, and they wanted to send a crater that was beautiful and had a beautiful voice. And for it stepped the corby, the craw. Now I ken what you're thinking. You're thinking that the corbies look and sound like my pal here. Ah, thank you. That's a good girl. Aye, she's nae bonny colours, and she doesn't muckle sing these days. But back then, the corby was all the colours of the rainbow and had the most beautiful singing voice. Ach, you show off. Well, she said she would gang up, and syne she stretched out her wings, and she flew higher, 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 higher than the trees, higher than the tops of the highest mountain, and she was fleeing above the clouds, and she spotted the garden, and she landed, and Mother Nature said, "Rainbow Corby, what are you doing here? You're the most bonny of all my creations." And the Corby explained to her, "I have been sent by the beasts, the craters down below. They're saying, can you no talk about this call and this funny white stuff?" And she said, "I'm sorry. Now that I have thought something, I cannot take that thought away. However, I can maybe help you through this thing called winter. I'll give you something." And she'll look at about her garden, and she said, I can for all day. And she grabbed hold a great big dod of wood, and she held it all the way up to the bonny golden sun. For if it happened, it caught fire. And she said to the Corby, "This is for you. This is called fire. Build on it, and it'll keep all the craters warm through the winter months." And she put the bit of wood in the Corby's mouth, and the Corby flew down, down, down. Well, it had taken the Corby 3 days and 3 nights to get all the way up there, and it took her 3 days and 3 nights to get all the way back down and all. And as she did that, the smoke filled her beautiful rainbow feathers, making them all clarted in black soot. And you ken fit, by the time she got all the way down there to the grun, and she hopped off to get more bits of wood to add to the fire, to build it up, to keep the beasties in the craters warm, they'd all gathered about her, and they said, "What are you?" And she opened her mouth to say, "I'm the Rainbow Crow." You know what came out? "Caw! Caw!" And she realised that the smoke had taken her bonny voice away, and but all the craters said to her, You beautiful, wonderful bird, you have given away your beauty. You have given away your voice to save us." And they all respected her. The funny thing is, she was still sad. And a day, Mother Nature came down, and she saw the Corby looking sad. And she said, "Come here." The Corby looked at her, and Mother Nature said, "I've created something else that's new. They're called humans. It'll change things in the world a great deal. Maybe for the better, maybe for the worse. But because of what you did, bonny creator, I'm going to change something so that other animals and other birds may be hunted for their bonny feathers. For their bonny voices, they'll be put into cages to sing for these humans. But you, they will never ever hunt you, because now your flesh will taste a smoke, and they winna like that." And this cheered up the Corby in the end, and she hopped off happily into the world. Now, next time you're out and about, if you see a crow's feather, a Corby's feather lying on the ground, pick it up, hold it up to the sun, just like Mother Nature had up that dod of wood to the sun. And if you look at it, you will see a myriad of beautiful colours reflected in the feather. And that is so that Abdi can remind this story of the Rainbow Crow. I hope you liked that. Did you like it? She liked it, So, hopefully you'll tune in for another story soon. And we'll see you then. My name's Pauline Cordner, and I've worn my rainbow hula outfit today just for the story. I'll send you another story soon. Take care, Abdi. Cheerio!